When you start Music One LE, this is the first window you see. Your station library will appear on the left. In most cases, you'll see only one. If you have a license for 2 or more stations, each of the libraries will be displayed. And when you install Music One LE, it also puts 2 demonstration libraries into the directory at first. One is named Pop, and the other is named Empty. The Pop library is something you can play around with. You can use the Empty library to enter your own song library right away. You'll probably want to get the largest portion of your library data imported so you don't have to type absolutely everything in, and we'll help you with that. On the right, you see the path to your Music One directory and the subdirectories within it. In this case, it's on the C drive. Inside the Music One LE directory are the subdirectories for Music One's own log files. If you're running more than one station, then each will have its own specific log directory. There's another directory for the automation system log files, and you would have one for each automation system if you're running more than one. The daily back directory is where Music One saves its backup files. If you're going to keep your library file on a server or some drive other than the C, then you'll use the network button to map the path to that drive and directory. This would be a one-time thing. After you've clicked the path in, Music One will remember it and look to the proper drive each time you start it up. If you're going to access Music One from several computers on your network, then you would enable the multi-user mode on each machine. At the bottom of this window is a backup button. This is used to create a zip file of your station library. It compresses the library file down to about a quarter of its normal size, and it's handy for archiving. The restore button isn't often needed, but if your library file should ever become corrupted, it's quite easy to restore from a backup. Just click this button, and Music One will show you the onboard backups. Those are the ones saved in the Music One Daily Back directory. You'll have between 5 and 7 recent copies. And if need be, you can restore from one of the zip files you may have been using to restore from an external drive. When you start up each day, you'll select your library and click the Open button. If it is the very first time you've started Music One LE and you see this mostly empty window, don't be surprised. This is the way it's supposed to be. Now, use the menus to go to the various functions.